Hi there friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Rituka and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today's a recipe video, and with the holy month of Ramadan going on, I thought let's make a delicious recipe that we all can make for iftari. So today we're going to be making some yummy green keema masala biryani. Let's get started.
So to make the green masala for the keema, here I have a small bunch of coriander, around 35 leaves of mint or pudina, 20 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, 2 small cinnamon sticks, a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, around 4 green chilies, 3 cardamoms, an inch of ginger chopped, around 8 whole peppercorns, 6 cloves, and now we can blend all of this with half a cup of water. And that's our blended green masala. So next I'm going to take boiling hot water in a bowl, and I'm going to add 1 plus 1/4 cup of soy granules or your veg keema, and we can mix this. Cover it with a lid and let it sit for 20 minutes. Post 20 minutes, I'm going to remove the lid and squeeze all the water out of the keema and keep it separately. So next, in a pan, I'm going to add a tablespoon of vegan ghee, and once that melts, I'm going to add 3 chopped tomatoes to it and let it cook for a few minutes till the time the tomatoes get mushy. Once that's done, I'm going to add our green masala to this and let it cook for more 2-3 minutes. We can then add our soy granules or keema to this mix. And stir it up well. And next I'm going to add 2 large onions that I've finely chopped and give it a good mix. We can add juice of half a lemon to this. Add some Himalayan pink salt to taste, a teaspoon of unrefined raw sugar, and a heaping teaspoon of meat masala. This masala is completely vegan. It just gives a good flavor. Now we can mix all of this really well. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for another 15 minutes. So post 15 minutes, now I'm going to remove the lid and I'm going to give this a good stir. And our keema is done. So I'm going to keep this aside. So now it's time to make the rice for the biryani, for which in a deep vessel I'm going to add a tablespoon of vegan ghee. And once that melts, I'm going to add my whole spices. So here I'm adding 1 bay leaf, a black fat cardamom, a small star anise, a small stick of cinnamon, 3 black peppercorns and 3 cloves. Now we can saute this for around 30 seconds. And then I'm going to add 1.5 cup of brown rice. So this is basmati brown rice that I'm using, and I have washed this before and kept it. So further we can saute the rice in the oil and spices for a minute, after which I'm going to add around 3 plus 1/4 cup of water. We can finally add our Himalayan pink salt to taste here. And let the rice cook. And our rice is nice and cooked. So finally it's time to layer our biryani. So to layer the biryani and to finally warm it up together, I'm using a deep bottom pan and I'm adding a knob of vegan ghee and vegan butter. Gonna mix this and spread it nicely all over the pan. Now I'm going to first add a layer of the rice. Followed by a layer of the keema. To this I'm going to add a fried potato. So I've chopped a potato into 2 pieces and deep fried it. And I'm going to add that here. And we can keep layering it like this. Finally, I'm going to cover this with rice. And now if you wish, you can add some kevra water, a few drops of rose essence, a little kesar mixed in warm plant-based milk at this point. However, I don't enjoy those flavors with the green masala keema, so I'm going to skip that part. Again, some vegan ghee and vegan butter on top. And I'm simply going to add lots of fried onions here. And I'm going to keep the lid on top now. So I'm going to keep this pot on a tawa and then I'm going to let it cook for 10 minutes. And our biryani is finally done. So here I'm serving it with some mint kachumber raita, some sliced onions, green chilies and lemon veggies. Make sure to add your fried potatoes and add lots of fried onions on top. And your amazing biryani is ready.
That's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this recipe. Go ahead and try it out and enjoy your iftari. And wishing all my viewers a happy and blessed Ramadan.